No single approach to environmental management is enough, and it is why North Queensland Bulk Ports has invested in its EcoPorts Program. The EcoPorts Program is multifaceted and includes monitoring of water quality, seagrass, noise and dust, invasive marine pest, and coal beach surveys.
North Queensland Bulk Port have both onshore and offshore water quality monitoring programs. The onshore ones focus on the flows from rainwater, from our port activities, from our roads. Offshore, we've traditionally monitored around some of our development projects, and historically this has been done sporadically as the port grows. More recently, we're stepping into an area of ongoing, consistent, long-term ambient monitoring programs. Well, the environmental program's not just there to ensure the safe and ongoing operations of the port, and not just there to benefit North Queensland Bulk Ports. They're there to ensure that we've got a sustainable future that benefits both the community, the region and the greater Queensland.
James Cook University, being situated in the tropics, has got a very strong focus on tropical research. So my group focuses on marine habitat research, and particularly focusing on seagrass and seagrass ecology. It's really important to monitor seagrass because it's not a constant. It doesn't just stay the same, and it comes and goes. There's a lot of seasonality, like a lot of plants, and quite extreme in some seagrasses as well. Some of those seagrasses in ports are annual. They're only there for 3 months of the year and got to come back from seed. So if you want to make sure that you've got healthy seagrass in the port environment or any environment, you really need to get a good handle on how it changes naturally and put that into perspective when there's potential impacts around. Being plants, they need nutrients to grow, so they can act as a bit of a filter of the water coming out from the coast out to the reef. NQBP have been very proactive in seeking out information, so a lot of the stuff that we know about seagrasses is because they've got the program in place, and it's strategic in the sense that it's there regardless of whether there's going to be a dredging operation or not. The monitoring happens, so we've got good information. A partnership approach with industry can definitely work, and certainly has for us in this arena. And if you can work with industries to highlight the problems and come up with solutions collaboratively, then can be a good result all round.
NQBP voluntarily participates in dust monitoring with terminal operators at the Port of Hay Point as part of its commitment to social responsibility. The program has been developed and expanded to improve dust management practices. In the past 20 years, dust from port operations has reduced despite a higher port throughput of coal because of continued improvement in dust controls at the terminal. Invasive marine pests have the potential to do serious damage to the marine ecosystem, and it is for this reason that NQBP routinely undertakes checks for invasive marine pests. Settlement plates suspend in the water, providing a base for potential invasive marine pests such as the Asian green mussel and the black striped mussel to establish if present. The plates used in the monitoring program are located alongside wharves and vary in design to accommodate wave and tidal actions at each of the ports. Further to the noise and dust monitoring at the Port of Hay Point, NQBP undertakes coal beach surveys in collaboration with community members. The beaches at Louisa Creek, Half Tide and Salonika Beach are surveyed each year, and any coal samples are collected for independent analysis by Bureau Veritas International Trade Australia in Mackay. This is just another example of how NQBP's extensive EcoPorts program is ensuring port activities are managed to deliver a sustainable future. NQBP takes great pride in careful management and rigorous ongoing monitoring programs which ensure our ports remain healthy.